Professor Alfred Omenya, Daktari points out the question of awareness and people knowing about this entire concept. Yes, the government touts it as or brands it as an economic transformation plan that it had. But a majority of Kenyans, because this is digital-based, is there enough awareness about this in terms of accessing the funds from the onset? And can it have the impact in the long run?
I think the idea of the Hustler Fund is actually a reasonable idea. But like I said before, what we thought government had in mind was, a proper mechanism to build small and medium enterprises. And for us, what government did before, which I keep insisting, is actually worse than Fuliza, was a starting point. And we wanted to see how this transforms so that different categories of businesses are actually supported. Of course, the statistics are showing actually, and Governor had highlighted that just the huge number of businesses are actually collapsing. But then immediately this was launched. In a way, it is like a stillbirth. We've not seen any change at all, any transformation, any development, any feedback in terms of how this is functioning and ways of improving it, so that it remains, as I've said, and without any fear of contradiction, worse than Fuliza, as it actually were. People can get higher ceilings on Fuliza, yes. Small business can get up to 20,000 on Fuliza, and somebody is giving you 6,000. 600 shillings, yeah. And they somehow believe that Kenya's economy is going to be revolutionized. When you have all these little lenders who are getting 600 shillings. I think that is dumb.
All right.
Government should actually take the opportunity, because I think it is a good idea. I'm not saying it's a bad idea. I think it is a good idea, but we need to look at it, get feedback, transform it, so that in a way it can actually build this small and medium enterprise that we all agree, whether we are in the position or in government, that is the future of our own economy. But currently, honestly, the way this has been structured, and Mheshimiwa, with all due respect, if you really think this is a direction that you'll be going to transform the country, especially with these huge numbers of people who are in the informal sector and who are in the small businesses, then I think you urgently need Mheshimiwa here to structure that thing for you.
Okay, a right of reply for Honda Manyoro?